Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll go over the two trades I took on New York Open. Before I go into the trades themselves and the entries, I just want to review my levels for the day. So as you can see, there's not much that has changed since my last video, which was the last trading day. All I did was remove some levels that were invalidated, as well as add these two black rectangular zones at the value area high and the value area low of the current range we are in for the past week or so. Now, I also added some options levels, some end of day options levels to see if some of my levels that I've already marked had stacked options levels on them, making them stronger. For example, this is it's a high buy delta area. And it has put support of 0DT NDX, which makes it a really strong level for a possible bounce. Now, I also keep the IVB on, the 5-minute. On my left screen, I have the 5-minute and my options levels. So this played a role in today's trades. So that's why I like to have it, but I'll go more into that later in this video. So I'll put this to the side right now, as I want to focus on my entry charts. Let me turn on the global crosshair. Okay, so these are all in sync, like so. Perfect. All right. So, what happened, right? Well, put simply, I was looking for trades today for mean reverting trades. Initially, I was looking to short off of a high GEX level, a really big GEX level that was being formed. It was at the here it was initially it was at 31,000 something, and eventually it came down to 31,000 flat. So I wanted to possibly get a short into this area, back down to any level that I've already marked. That did not end up happening. Instead, what I ended up doing for my first trade is looking for a long of the zero gamma level, which there was a couple bounces before the zero gamma level. Unfortunately, the trade did not work, and a possible reason is that as price was coming and touching even the zero gamma level, this level kept on dropping lower and lower and lower. Since I look at live levels, how they change live through Gamalito, I could see that zero gamma was dropping lower and lower. And I did not pay attention to net gamma just yet, but I suppose, or I'm guessing that net gamma was slowly decreasing and reaching close to zero or close to negative, or maybe it was even negative around here. All right, but I took the trade. I got stopped out. I risked 100 with 1 micro, which is my risk for my first trade. I got stopped out. It's fine. I didn't revenge trade or FOMO or anything. I kept my emotions in check, and this played a pivotal role because I was able to adapt and change my day from a loss to a win. Now, what happened with the second trade was really interesting. Around this level where I got stopped out, I looked at my options software, Gamalito, and I was looking at the net gamma exposure, and I could notice the following. Gamma was not only becoming less and less, but we had now entered into a net negative gamma environment, meaning we were in a net positive before, which translates into a compressed market regime, so a lot of consolidation and chop and ping pong, and in a net negative gamma environment, you can expect moves to become violent and more aggressive as the market makers hedge along with the move instead of hedge against it. So I noticed the gamma regime changed and the market regime changed around here. So I considered shorts. I entered off of the break of the IVB, if I'm not mistaken. As soon as it broke, I think on this candle, perhaps. Let me just double check with the global crosshair. This is, yes. So I entered on this candle, this white wick, as I saw that we broke the IVB, And the IVB is really good for breakout trades and breakout days. So since we were closing in on the negative gamma, I anticipated the breakout day. And yeah, the rest is history. I entered here with one contract of 50 risk instead of 100, since I have a rule that if my first trade fails, I de-risk on my second trade by 50%, and regardless if I win or lose, I just close the charts. And I exited over here. So it was a 4-hour trade today, which allowed me to recoup my losses and end green. After this, I obviously did not take any trade. I closed the charts. But it was really interesting today to see in real time gamma changing the market regime and how options flow truly impacts futures market. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, do let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching my video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.